Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and I'm out at Angeline about to tour the new Pinnacle Series floor plan, the McGinnis by Lennar. The McGinnis floor plan is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,230 square feet, and a 3-car garage. All right, we're gonna start at the main level and we'll head our way upstairs. As we walk in, we have a wide open concept. Check out this huge living room here. You have a triple window back here, bringing in all the natural light. And check out this kitchen, huge center island, 4 bar stools here, quartz countertops, plenty of cabinets. And this is their Pinnacle Series, so you have elevated features. And then this connects to a dining space here, 2 nice windows over here behind me, bringing in more natural light. And then this opens onto your covered patio here. And this provides additional entertaining space out here. And it's all covered, so all you have to do is actually screen this in. And then this is what your backyard would look like. Check out this conservation home site here. 78% of the home sites here at Angeline back up to this. We're heading back into the house. Now, one thing I love about this floor plan is there is a full ensuite bedroom located downstairs. Now, they have it set up, it's a model as an office, but what's nice is if you have any elderly family members or guests, you do have a full bedroom with an ensuite bathroom downstairs. Good size walk-in closet, and you have a glass walk-in shower here, vanity with quartz countertop. Now we're gonna head upstairs and check out the rest of the home. As we're leaving the living room, I wanted to point out you have a huge storage closet here. This is under the stairs storage, and we're gonna head upstairs. Now immediately on this little first flight of stairs, you have your half bathroom located right here. And on this McGinnis floor plan, as soon as you come upstairs, you have a wet bar up here. And this is a huge space. This is more like a bonus room. You could set this room up however you would like. All right, we're gonna go check out the owner suite first around this corner and check out how huge this is. A bedroom set here, you have a couch over here, and still plenty of space. And one thing that the Pinnacle Series offers is a tray ceiling. And wait until you see this ensuite bathroom. We have a vanity quartz countertops. Love the tub. Another vanity quartz countertops. And look at this walk-in glass enclosed shower with a built-in seat. And we're gonna come out, we're gonna head into this closet. Now check this closet out. There's 2 parts that kind of flow around here. This is probably one of the bigger closets I've seen here at Angeline. And then of course, everybody's favorite, the private office. All right, we're gonna head back out here. Now your laundry room is upstairs. We're coming through the loft, and then down this corridor, you're gonna actually have 3 more bedrooms. So we're gonna start here. We'll call this the baby's room. And what's nice is this has its own ensuite bathroom as well. Quartz countertop, vanity, walk-in shower. And we're gonna head around the corner into this bedroom. Another good sized bedroom here. Love the window up front, bringing in natural light. And then another good sized closet with a window up front. All right, I'm gonna come around the corner to the final bedroom upstairs. 2 windows up front, and then it has a good sized closet. We have quartz countertops, dual sinks here, and then you have a tub shower combo. So this bathroom will service those 2 bedrooms. All right, we're gonna head back downstairs. If you're looking for a large single family home for you and your family at Angeline, I would highly recommend checking out the Pinnacle Series and the McGinnis model. For a full tour of the Angeline Community and homes, give me a call, 813-600-1717. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.